What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to prevent the Antimalware Service Executable process from using too much CPU resources or your disk usage on Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. So first of all, search for Windows Security in your Start menu search to open up your Windows Security System Settings window. Here, navigate to Virus and Threat Protection, and here select to manage the settings of your virus and threat protection. Scroll all the way down to Exclusions and select Add or Remove Exclusions. This will allow you to add an exclusion. Select File and your File Explorer will open up. Here, navigate to the drive on which your OS is installed on, typically your C drive. Go to your Program Files, Windows Defender, and in this folder locate the MS-MP-ENG application and select to open it. After a second, the exclusion should be added, and the Antimalware Service Executable process should use less CPU and disk resources. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.